Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Omsi Reddy, and today in this video, we are going to start with a new challenging project number one. So, recently I announced you for regarding to the challenging project playlist, and this is a Friday at 8 p.m. You will get this challenging video on my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates regarding to the challenges. Let's move into the challenging. What exactly we need to do? The challenge is the title of sales performance dashboard using Power BI. So you need to complete the requirement challenges task regarding to that. So what is the primary source of your data? Sales regarding like the CRM or the spreadsheet or database, etc. You need to find out that. And what are the biggest inconsistencies on the data quality issues you facing in your sales data? And third question is how will you handle the missing values or duplicate entries in the data set? So what type of charts or graphs will you require for choosing KPIs for cleaning understanding, like clear understanding? How fifth question, how do you sales for this month compared to the one same month in the last year? Or what is the trends in the sales for a specific product, like specific product category over the last few years? And seventh question, which product category are the top sellers and how has their performance changes over a time? And the final question is, what is the average order value and how does it vary across the different customer segments? So these are the 8 questions you need to solve in this challenging project. So if you do these 8 questions, definitely this project will well, and the dashboards clearly visible for the client purpose or anyone who can understand regarding to the sales, like it's a completely retail sales analysis. So after completing of your dashboard, you need to follow the below steps like project submission details. So you need to zip that file, folder file, and upload into your Google Drive and copy that link and fill the form below. Let me click on this form. Let me show you how to fill the details regarding that form. So this is a challenge project submission. You need to mention your name, phone number, WhatsApp number, and email ID, and the challenging project number, that is 001. It's a 001, and paste here your Google Drive and submit. So after the submission, my team will be verify your project whether the project is good or right. So if the project has done good, very well, and my team will be get back to you. And if your project is not well, my team will get back to you regarding to the what are the changes you need to done, how to improve the concepts, how much of thing you have logged regarding to that things. Everything our team will be show you, and give, like we are providing a free for each and everyone to develop their skills regarding to the project, right? I hope you are understand this whole the this understand yeah, I hope you understand this project, like challenging project number one. So the time duration is for the completing of project is next I think so next Thursday 16th, exactly. I think Thursday 16th, yeah, 16th evening at 5 p.m. 16 evening at 5 p.m. up to the duration of the project will be high. So on Friday, next Friday, we are going to deal with another project regarding to different technologies. So and every Friday we are dealing with different technologies projects. So make sure you need to update yourself regarding to the projects and regarding to the skills and technical skills. That's a mandatory thing to solve the coding problems or any types of problems in the real time experience. I hope you all understand this video, and I wish you a very all the best for starting your journey with challenging projects. I hope this video can definitely help you for the challenge, improve your resume and improve your skills and improve your project details. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.